of the College of Arts and Sciences.
Let us welcome the department heads and directors of the different offices. Our University Librarian, Ms. Ana Maria E. Mariano. Ladies and gentlemen, the deans and the associate deans of the different colleges. From the School of Graduate Studies, Dr. Romulo E. Navarra. From the School of Law, Attorney Severo C. Madrona Jr. From the College of Education, Dean Dr. Melvin M. Crisostomo and Associate Dean Professor Errol A. Beck. From the College of Business Administration, Dean Attorney Severo C. Madrona Jr. and Associate Dean Dr. Ludovino A. Macaya. From the College of Nursing, Dean Professor Iris C. Castillon and Associate Dean Professor Arceli A. Francisco. The College of Office Administration and Computer Technology, Dean Dr. Maribel R. Gabua, and Associate Dean Professor Elaine Y. Rego. From the College of Arts and Sciences, Dean Engineer Marcos P. Heronga, and Associate Dean Professor Reston Tulico. Ladies and gentlemen, the Director of the Guidance Office and the Dean of the Office of the Student Affairs, Professor David Ian C. Oresco. The officer in charge of the Office of the Registrar, Mr. Mario L. Castelo. The Dean of Admission and Scholarship, Professor Leofe T. Castor. Ladies and gentlemen, the Vice Presidents. The Vice President for Legal Affairs and International Linkages, Attorney Severo C. Madrona Jr. The Vice President for Planning and Finance, Engineer Romel S. Hernandez. The Vice President for Academics, Dr. Maribel R. Gabwa. The Vice President for Administration, Professor Martin Elwood S. Rivera. The Vice Mayor of the City of Pasay, Honorable Mark Anthony A. Calixto, and the members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Honorable Vice Mayor Mark Anthony Calixto is accompanied by Councilors Alan Pananigan, the representative Councilors Ian Bendever, and the representative Councilor Marlon Pesebre. The representative of the Lone Congressional District of the City of Pasay, Honorable Antonino Tony Calixto. Ladies and gentlemen, the Board of Regents of the City University of Pasay, our student regent, Miss Ivy and Elamir, the alumni regent, Dr. Lovely C. Fernando, our faculty regent, Dr. Rowena R. De Rosa. Attorney Sibero C. Madrona Jr. Mr. Rolando I. Cruz. Mr. Manolo F. Lenzon. Sister Theodora B. Halea. Reverend Father Cresmar I. Dacuno. Former Councilor and Chairman of the Committee of Education, the Sangguniang Panglungsod, Joey Calixto Isidro Jr. Member of the Board of Regents and Chairman of the Committee on Education of the Sangguniang Panglungsod of the City of Pasay, Honorable Luigi Calixto Rubiano. The President of the City University of Pasay, Dr. Rosalie F. Estuche.
Yan na yan. Yung kasunod nito. Pasok.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Chairman of the Board of Regents and Mayor of the City of Pasay, the Honorable Imelda Emmy Calixto Rubiano.